Welcome to our podcast. Today we're diving into a topic that's vital for everyone, especially students, which is nutrition. Nutrition is a key factor in learning, significantly influencing brain function and academic performance. A balanced diet rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins provides essential energy for the brain, improving concentration and memory. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and nuts enhance cognitive functions such as problem solving and critical thinking. Proper nutrition helps regulate mood and behavior, reducing irritability and promoting emotional stability, which is vital for a productive learning environment. Consuming complex carbohydrates instead of high sugar snacks ensures steady energy levels, preventing the afternoon slump and maintaining focus. Hydration is equally important as dehydration can lead to headaches and fatigue, hindering concentration. Regular water intake keeps the brain alert and functioning optimally. Good nutrition also supports physical health, reducing illness and ensuring consistent school attendance. By making healthy food choices, students can improve their academic performance and overall well being. Simple habits like eating a nutritious breakfast and staying hydrated can significantly enhance learning potential.